Back at it again, the end of part one. We're going to divide this just like we did last time, but this time I'm only going to use synthetic division. Negative 10, 5, 60, 109, whoa, and 90. So first step, bring down the 5, multiply here, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Very quick. And what we're left with is, okay, so we divided an x cubed by an x. So that left us x squared. We divided this 60, that's x squared, by x as well, and ends up with just plus 10x plus 9. So that is the next set of factors there. So we'd be looking for factors of 45 that add up to 10 if we wanted to factor it some more. I don't believe that any factors like that exist. Yeah. So we are left with x plus 10 times 5x squared plus 10x plus 9. So that's fully factored. And now we just need to find zeros. Well, we already know one of them. We put it right here. The other one comes from this quadratic. We know there's several ways to solve it. One of those ways is the quadratic formula, which is negative b. So b is 10, negative 10, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 100, minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And so over here, 100 minus, that's 20 times 9, row, is negative 80. Negative 10 plus or minus square root of negative 80 over 10. I'm going to turn this into a complex number. So both these things are being divided by 10. And I like that because negative 10 divided by 10 is negative 1. Plus or minus. The square root of a negative is an imaginary number. So we pull out an I and leave behind the 80 over 10. And then we're going to simplify the square root of 80 if we can. I know for sure we can a little bit because 80 will divide by 16. So 80 is 16 times 5, yeah? So the square root of both of those, well, the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 5 is still irrational, so we're going to leave it alone, but that gives us negative 1 plus or minus 4 square root of 5 over 10. 4 over 10 simplifies to 2 over 5. So the final answer would be negative 10 is one of the zeros. The other zero is negative 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 over 5. There we go.